will be moving on soon. Perhaps you'd like to continue your mission of merriment as part of our entourage. Oh, just a little jaunt over to Daggerfall for some mischief. Poor Emmerich had such grand plans for today, but his dour queen will surely have something to say about that. I'm certain he'll seek out a champion after we arrive. You should volunteer! That's all for today, champion, but rest assured that your queen will call upon you again tomorrow.
Hit the trail.
Hey, grab a drink.
There's an urgent task for you.
Yorn, I have an answer to all the dreadful fighting for the Ruby Throne.
Surrender?
No, silly. A beauty contest. All of Tamriel could bask in our regality and choose the leader they adore most.
That would not be fair.
Well, of course there could only be one possible winner.
Do not let it disparage you. The silkiness of Yoren's back hair puts many to shame.
You must be the celebrant Irene was going on about. I could certainly use some of your acclaimed good cheer. My superstitious queen has confiscated my array of royal magisters, the only illusionary dazzlers fit for a king. I can't impress my subjects with just any common prestidigitation. It would be trivial to whip up more with the right ingredients. There are some, local attractions that should have what I'm looking for, but they're no place for royalty. If you would risk venturing out on my behalf, I'll ensure you play a key role in today's festivities. Good luck finding everything on my list. I don't know that we've ever had a fatality at the Jester's Festival, but if you are the first, I'll make sure your name lives on in appropriate ignominy. You've never seen an illusion dazzler? You're...
Is everything all right?
I heard that Dominion soldiers have landed at Farwatch. Can you tell me anything else?
Not much. The elves landed, and there's been fighting throughout the area.
you hear something?
There's something wonderful about wandering a city's streets with no destination.
My sweet love, she waits for me through storm and shine, cross land or sea. I run to her and together we.
Yeah!
For the love of Stendar.
We'll have no disturbances here.
Thwarted by my own queen in front of the other royalty. I can't be the laughingstock in my own kingdom. Aha! The day is saved! No one will question who wears the crown in my court after this. I promised you a key role in the festivities today, and I am a man of my word. I hereby entrust you with the honor of putting my royal prowess on display. Take my illusion dazzlers to some suitably crowded locations in the city, and give them a good shake and toss. My majestic creations will do the rest. Perfect. Give me a moment to work my magic, and I'll have you on your way with the finest flashing flourishes in the land. Stand back, and let your majesty make magic. A pinch of this, a dash of that. Give it a shake. Voila! Your dazzlers, my faithful subject.
Right behind you, partner.
For the knights of the king.
Honor and steel!
Well,
selling, buying, trading. Right here.
This one has forged a humorousness for you, fair queen.
Oh, my. You shouldn't have. Let's hear it.
What do you call a Bosmer who arbors eating his neighbors?
What?
Dinner!
Oh! Ha! 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 You really shouldn't have.
I thought I heard the raucous cheers and playful pops of my handiwork echoing throughout the city. Tell me it was more than my imagination. Well, of course. In my experience, my loyal subjects adore being showered in the affections of their king. Oh, don't share that with the queen.
Oh, the king.
I thought I heard the raucous cheer. Well, of course. It's best not to be found conspiring against my wife anymore today. Easier to deny having ever met you when you're not standing right there, you understand. But if she happens to corner you, take our secret to the grave for your liege.